Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys, as always, are having the most wonderful day. Today, guys, we have another Temu haul. I love Temu. I have bought so much stuff from Temu. I think my house is coming down with Temu. That if you guys are not yet subscribed to Temu, my affiliate link is in the description section below, and you do get gifts and discounts for using the affiliate link. But I want to show you guys what I purchased in this haul. So first thing is a little bit of a disappointment. I purchased this D9 smart doorbell. It was £8.29. I thought that was a pretty decent deal for a smart doorbell. However, I have tried really hard to get this doorbell to work. I have done everything the instruction tells me, downloaded the app, did everything. Nothing will make this work. So I just think I got a faulty product. I have tried to work at this. I think I've been at it today for around 2 hours. Complete nightmare. Couldn't get it to work. Very, very sad. However, I did go back to Temu and I applied for a refund. I got the refund put onto my Temu credit within a matter of seconds, and they told me not to return the item. So that was pretty awesome. Bit disappointing, but still really good service. The next thing that I purchased is this Korea type mini sealing bag. It says Healthy Life. Gently pull, good quality fresh. Sealed bag of fruit, refrigerator seal bag, seal food bag. This was only £1.12p. I've seen these on other places and they're much more expensive than that. This one's a little on the flimsy side. I think it's very plasticky, but it has a magnet, which is awesome. I can put it on my fridge and be able to find it. Went ahead and put two batteries in, and we will just check it out. So pretty nifty. It's supposed to be a sealer. I'm not quite sure how it works. Do I need to take these things off or no? Or maybe not. I'm not sure, but we'll try it on this little bag and we'll double back on this item shortly. But let me see if I can seal this bag. I'm kind of hoping this works because I love having sealed bags, and I'm really not even sure if I'm using this correctly. Hopefully I am. So I think the premise is just cover the bag on the two edges and press down hard and go slowly. I mean, it is melting the bag a little bit. It has actually sealed it right here. I'm just going to pull it open. So not bad, not super duper efficient, but it will do the job. And for £1.12p, I'm really not mad at it. So that's another little item. The next item I bought, I'm super excited for, and I know you probably aren't. This was 58p on the Lightning deal. This is why I'm super excited. It came in white. You always tend to get colours that are a little off. Green, blue, yellow, orange. The standard kind of black and white and grey, which is what I usually go for in kitchen stuff, usually isn't on the Lightning deal. But this one was, and it was super cheap. And this is just a little, almost like colander with a bowl. For me, I eat a lot of ramen, and I love my ramen. But I hate bringing out my big colander just to pour out the water from the ramen. And I thought this would be pretty awesome. Not only can I tip out the water, but I can put the water in the bottom, put my ramen in, put it in the microwave for my 2.5 minutes, and then when it's done I can tip the water out. And for 50 odd p, I think this is pretty good and pretty sturdy. What else do we have inside this bag? Oh my gosh, I forgot about this. So I ordered this for my husband for the shower. This again was on a Lightning deal. It was £2.35p, like £2.35p. I'm just going to pop these off to the side a little second. And this is a little towel, wraparound towel for the shower. So when he comes out of the shower, he can flip this little towel around himself. And it's quite long. It is beyond super soft. And it has an elasticated top. And this would fit quite, you know, if you've got a bigger body shape, this is quite big. It would fit around pretty much one size fits all. And you simply get out of the shower, wrap yourself around it and then pop in the poppers, and you have your little, oh, I didn't even know it comes with another popper down here to protect the modesty. And you have this little tolly kind of skirt. You know the way when men get out of the shower and they just wrap it around their waist. So this will definitely work. And I love the fact that it has a little pocket. But how super cheap. And honestly, this is beyond soft. What I probably recommend is that when you buy things like this, I'm just going to pop it back in the bag while we're talking. When you buy things like this, it's always good to give them a good wash first. I always find that any kind of tolly material, shower, towel, face cloth, anything like that, I always tend to run it through a wash first, because I find that if I won't wash it and put it in the dryer, that it just dries better. So I definitely always do that. That's a nice little top tip. The next thing that I bought, I'm just going to grab something really quickly and then come back. So I just needed to grab something to use with this item. This item was, again, another lightning deal. I am addicted to the lightning deals. This was £2.05. This is a sharpener for your knives. And my knives I've had for a long time, a really, really long time. Look how professional and nice this looks. I've had my knives for a very long time. I love this one in particular. It's my favorite. You can see that I've sharpened it before. But I've always used the little kind of, oh, I'm so sorry. I've always used the little sharpeners that you get. They're not really expensive. They're about 50p, and they're just not great. So I thought this would be a bit better. It gives me hand grip. The one that I have, you have to hold it in your hand. It's very dangerous. So this one I thought I would have a go with. Would have been great if it had magnets on the back. Although I have a lot of things with magnets on my fridge. My fridge is turning into my little utensil storage area, but I still love it. And I think this is the way to sharpen your knives. Am I doing this right? I think I am. Back and forward, just to get a better, sorry for that noise, but just to get a better sharpness. Oh my gosh, that is actually really sharp. Let me just try. That is awesome. So I wanted something with a little bit better. And I'm really, really pleased with this. This is solid. And for the price, I got a total bargain. What are these? Oh, I purchased 2 of these. These are gifts for the boys and the men in my life. And they're little electric nose hair trimmers. But I think these are great for nose trimming, ear trimming, all those things, manscaping. I don't know if that's actually what I mean, but they just are battery operated. So again, another little battery, which I am completely out of. But I bought 2, and these were only, again, 68p on the lightning deal, because like I said before, I am addicted to the lightning deals. And then I think the last item that I got, another lightning deal. I have purchased a couple of these already from Temu. I really like them. The only thing is that the bottom isn't really secure, but I put little pads on the bottom. They're just the little sticky pads I put on the bottom that stops it from moving. But I love these. I got this on the lightning deal for £2.15. And guys, if you have bought a bath mat, sorry for all of the noise, that's really, really noisy. If you guys have bought bath mats in the past, you know that they're quite expensive. What I'm going to say is these are not super duper quality. I mean, they're not the best of the best. But the last one I purchased from Temu, I've had for quite some time. It is getting a little grotty, but I've had it a long time. I think it just needs to be retired for a new one. But this is a really decent size bath mat, and for the price that I paid, I think that's pretty awesome. What I tend to do to make sure that it stays flat is that I set a couple of books just on either side, flatten it out, and within maybe an hour, it's nice and flat and safe for you to stand on. Well, guys, that's everything that I got in this Temu order. Let me know in the comments section, did you like? Did you not like? Um, let me know if you've tried Temu out and what you think. I know a lot of people are a little skeptical, and I've been buying off Temu for quite a few months, and I think the service that I get and the price that I get things for, I'm a really happy customer. I'm definitely a happy customer. I'm definitely an advocate for them. Again, my affiliate links in the description. I think they're really good, and the items that I get are pretty dead on. Guys, if you like this video, please smash that like button. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, don't forget about that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of any of my future videos. If you guys have not checked out my shorts, please feel free to do so. There are some fun little haul shorts up in there. And I'm going to wish you all the very best. Take care. Please stay safe. And I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.